The Regalo swing-down bedrail is your solution for a durable, protective bedrail that provides safety and convenience. No more struggling to make the bed. The Regalo swing-down bedrail swings down and out of the way for easy bed making. Rest assured with Regalo's exclusive Gap Guard technology. Gap Guard prevents entrapment between the mattress and rail, assuring you and your child will sleep safe and sound. You'll love the no-hassle, no-tool setup. Start by assembling the bed rail frame. Next, attach the mesh wall. Connect the legs and anchor straps. Finally, place your mattress on top of the box spring, tighten the straps, and you're ready to go. The sidewall of the bed rail is 20 inches high to accommodate extra thick mattresses. The Regalo swing-down bed rail meets all current JPMA and ASTM safety standards. Regalo bed rails, for the most important people in the world.